Hey everybody, welcome back to Learning to DIY. So today we've got a Craftsman Ratcheting Screwdriver. And I have to say, just from the appearance, this looks like a pretty good set. We're going to compare eventually some of these, like 11 or so. So this is just opening this one. I just want to see what it's about, everything it comes with, and we're just going to review the Craftsman alone before we get into other videos. So I'm gonna take my trusty knife. Not gonna open things with other power tools like I have in the past. But anyway, okay, nice case. Well, somewhat nice. I can tell it's kind of a cardboard frame. It's not bad. So it looks like our screwdriver's gonna go here. It's got a spot for all like this. Okay, well we'll get to that. Okay, we'll pack it up next. All right. So we got bits, and I'm assuming this is a magnet, and of course the screwdriver. All right. So okay. Looks like, oh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. It extends, so you can choose your length. Okay. All right. Wow. Okay. And then we can go all the way back to there. Okay. Oh, okay. So if you're short like this, you're automatically going to get that. Okay. But that's nice. Kind of an adjustable length. That's cool. Alright, let's check out the ratcheting. Maybe. Okay, that's a pretty good sound. Pretty smooth. Okay, there's your middle locked in. And you're loosening. Alright, well it sounds pretty solid. Okay, we've got, what do we got here? PH1, PH2, T27. Wow. Quarter inch flat, 5/32 flat, and a 1/8 hex. Then we've got, oh, here's the rest of the T's. So we got T27, 25, 20, 15, 10, 8, and 6. That is pretty cool. Oh, there's your PH3. Another PH2, PH1. So there's two PH1s. It's interesting that they're in different sets like that. And then you got your quarter, 5/32, and 3/16 flat. And okay, so these are the rest of your hexes, except for, okay, you've got square 1, 2, and 3 Robertson bits there, and a 3/16, 5/32, and 1/4. On top of the, where's the other ones? Yeah. Oh, there was one other one. Maybe not. Oh, there it is, 1/8 hex. Okay. So you end up with, yeah, 4 hex bits, 3 square bits, and 5 flathead bits, 5 Phillips bits, and 6, 7, yeah, 7 star bits. Well, I mean, that's a pretty good selection. Actually, I have opened a few of these, and those are actually, that's the best selection I've seen that comes with a ratcheting screwdriver for under 25 bucks. And this is light. This is very light. I don't see onboard storage. No, I don't see that it has any onboard storage. So that's not great. But I mean, they're all contained here, and they do have a case for it. I do want to know if this is a magnet. So let's try to Oh, yeah. Wow, that's a pretty strong magnet for a small magnet like that. That's pretty wicked. And it extends. Oh my gosh, so if you extend this and extend this, let's measure this. Okay, first let's measure it. Let's measure it regular size, okay? The shortest possible size. Let's see here. I might have to get another ruler, but hey, let's use the Star Wars ruler first. Okay, so if that's at 0, so that's 7.5. No, 7 3/4 inches long. Okay, then if we go up to the first notch, we're at 8 1/4. Second notch, we're at 9.5. Okay. Final notch. That's 10 3/4 inches. And let's see. That is, man, it's on 0. So 3 1/8 inches. Wow. Okay. I need a big ruler. I need a yardstick. I need a yardstick. Well, I don't know. We can do it the old-fashioned way. Okay, so that's 12 inches. And hold on. This is like the schoolboy way. It's like okay. 12. So 19 3/4 inches on top of our 10 3/4. So yeah, that's 19, 20, 20 1/4, 20 1/2, 20 1/2 inches reach. Holy cow, that's pretty awesome. 20 1/2 inches you can reach to pick something up with a magnet. Okay. And that is, yeah, like I said, the widest selection of bits. I think these are run about $22 with the kit and the case and everything, which is phenomenal, because if you've looked at other prices of higher end brands, which we'll do a price comparison once we make the other video with the other screwdrivers, we'll do a price comparison and kind of what you get for the money, which, you know, it's important, so especially nowadays. Okay, so that is pretty wicked. Let's see what it looks like in the case and how well it fits, what the fitment is. And alright, I think that is it. Just, well, that's not gonna fit, is it? Is this just for the... Are you just supposed to... Well, I guess it kind of does. Let's see if I can zip this up in here. Let me put it... Yeah. Okay. Alright. Got that. We put it up over. Okay. I guess it will fit, just barely. Oof, actually I guess it doesn't have to fit more than just barely. Just kind of difficult. Okay. Okay, so now that we know that fits, let's check out the other. Okay, so we've got our Torx bits down here. Oof, okay, to get it fit perfect. And you can tell by looking, you don't need those guides what they are. I don't know about the size, but anyway, get them in here. Alright, and last set. Okay, and this is for this, and that is a good tight fit. Okay. Well, it's not bad. And then we make sure everything fits in here, which you're going to have to start this. If you have this end up here anyway, you're going to have to start the zipper before you close it. And pull it up over. Then you're going to have to finagle these up to close it, but I mean, that's a pretty good set. I tell you what. Yep, those things hold on, so it's pretty good. Huh. Alright, well there's our Craftsman. We'll compare it to some other ones. Okay. I wonder if I could... Wouldn't it be cool if you could just put in a... That's never gonna work, but that's fun. Anyway, thanks for learning with me.